It's truly rare that a desk actually stands out in your workspace. You expect it to hold a monitor, maybe a laptop, perhaps a cup of tea. But when you lean in for cool, switch to standing, shuffle between paperwork and screens, it just doesn't hold your gear. So I guess why not splash out on an affordable option like this one? This is the Vernal L-shaped standing desk. This desk we're looking at is motorized, sit-stand capable, and in an L-shaped configuration. All this and you've got this really nice walnut laminate finish. Now on their site they have a lot of room for customization of size and extra accessories too. But it is designed for users who want more than a basic desk. You've got a bigger surface area, an ergonomic sit-stand option, and a finish that won't look out of place in practically any home office. The price point is around $400 plus, but it is in the mid-premium category. You aren't getting the ultra top end materials, but you are getting a very capable setup. So the burning question is this product truly worth the asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. Now the unboxing experience, well, it was okay. This thing does arrive in up to 3 main boxes, 2 for the steel frames and 1 for the desktop. Unpacking takes a little space and you'll definitely need room to spread everything out. Now I am going to quickly go over the build, but I won't spend too much time on it as the manual and building process has carefully been explained for you on the website and in the manual. Nonetheless, let's quickly break down the build. You will need 2 people for this build as this is a heavy piece of kit when constructed. The desktop panels are marked and pre-drilled. The legs and crossbars are all labelled. All you'll need to do really is check the orientation of the L shape and decide whether you're going left return or right return. Just lay out your desktops on the floor in your chosen arrangement and then we can move on to building the legs. Now there is a total of 3 legs with the L-shape option and to be honest, building them from the box is pretty simple. Everything slots together pretty easily and bolts into place with no fuss. You'll want to replicate this basic building process 3 times for all of the legs, but honestly, it's not that difficult at all. Now going back to the desk, we do need to add these small brackets first. They just simply hold the 2 countertops together. Once screwed in, we can go ahead and add those legs. Now this can be tricky because you'll need to line everything up and they are quite heavy, so doing it on your own is quite hard. Once all 3 are in, it's just a matter of inserting all the supporting poles and then adding in the main motor unit along with routing the wiring through the supplied cable clips and under the crossbars. You'll also want to choose which side you want your control panel, left or right, and then just screw it into place. Under the center of the desk, you'll attach the supplied cable tray. Just screw it underneath the desk, make sure it's centered and level. This just gives you the space to mount a power strip and route most of your cable neatly. But that's it really. As for a building process, it really wasn't that difficult at all. Honestly, building process 9 out of 10. Now with the desk built and standing, the aesthetic and engineering starts to really shine. The walnut laminate surface is rich without being overly glossy, and I will say it sits well in a professional home office environment. The steel frame is very stable and robust. There's no flex when you lean on it, no creaks when you tap on the top, and I will say overall for me, the build quality certainly reflects that asking price. The manufacturer claims a high-low capacity of about 331 lbs, which is certainly encouraging for multiple monitors and gear. From my experience using this over a month, this thing is pretty solid and capable of supporting some real weight. The dual motor lift system responds smoothly to inputs. Whether you're going from sitting to standing or vice versa, the movement is quiet with no obvious strain. I tested with monitors, laptops, speakers, normal gear, and the desk moved without hesitation. Heavy loads may slow it down slightly, but for everyday use, it is excellent. You could put a glass of water on here that's almost overfilling, and honestly, when you put that motor up, it barely moves the glass of water. They have done an exceptional job at making this very high quality. And when you consider the asking price, well, it's certainly starting to look very good. You get an up and down button array and free programmable memory presets. Once you've set your preferred sitting height and standing height, moving between them is just a tap. The control panel is intuitive enough, it's very simple, but that doesn't mean it doesn't look premium. It has been made to blend in very well with the desk. It doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. Even at full height, the desk remains solid. I could easily type and move around peripherals, and there is barely any noticeable wobble. This level of stability is particularly important in standing mode, and I think Vernal have nailed it here. This thing is beyond solid. I will say, because it's an L-shaped one I went for, the workspace feels expansive. On the long side you can have dual or even triple monitors, and then on the return side you have room for a laptop, paperwork, or even a light printer. Now there is an under tray which helps with cable management quite a bit. Once you've routed your power strip, PC cables, monitor arm wires, you're left with minimal visible clutter. Certainly for me, a massive plus. You can even get these additional hooks that simply slot into the pre-made holes that you can hang things from. It's just the perfect optimal spot for a pair of headphones. Certainly a nice touch a lot of cheaper desks leave out. Now the brand offers a full suite of accessories, and I chose 3 key items to complement the desk. If you go to their site, you'll see things like the V-Series desk shelf, various file cabinets, monitor arms, cable management kits, and so on. It just helps you build out your full ecosystem. Firstly, I went with their V-Series desk shelf, and this just simply sits along the back span of the desk and raises a monitor or laptop slightly. I used it for my monitor as I do like a raised viewing point, and to be honest, it is a very nice touch. It matches the desk really well and it looks like it belongs there. It also has a nice little tray that you could probably stick a small keyboard in, maybe your mouse or other important things. For me, I personally think the shelf is a must-have. It blends so well with the desk. Next up was the Vernal file cabinet, and I will admit this was a tedious and long-winded building process with this cabinet, but as a whole, this thing just complements the desk really well. The build is sturdy with quality drawer slides and soft close action. When you have this amount of desk surface, you inevitably are going to gather gear, cables, notebooks, peripherals, and much more, and this cabinet just gives you a clean place for all of them. It also helps to hide less attractive items like routers or power strips while keeping them accessible. Because it's movable, this thing becomes a part of your setup. And finally, I went with this single monitor arm, which allows for a bit more versatility in how I actually mount my monitor. I'm always moving my desk around, so sometimes using the shelf is more than good enough. However, this is a proper adjustable arm. It supports VESA mount monitors from 13-inch to 32, and you get a full 360-degree axis base rotation. I used it on my 27-inch monitor and it holds firm with no droop or wobble. The gas spring mechanism lets you reposition easily, and the cable management tube built into the arm hides monitor cables neatly. With the stand-up desk height change of the main desk, the arm keeps your monitor at eye level whether you're sitting or standing. For anyone serious about monitor ergonomics, it's a difference maker. Now when it comes to the pros of the Vernal L-shaped desk plus my selected accessories, I can't deny we've got a complete workstation upgrade, all in one package. You're getting strong ergonomics, a smart surface area layout, solid build quality, and that sit-stand functionality which works smoothly in real-life usage. If you have the room and you're building a long-term office space, this is a smart investment. In my opinion, all in all, this setup is very much worth it. The build takes a bit of effort and there are a few minor quirks, but once it's up, it becomes a workspace you don't think about because it just works. And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.